Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. I just request you to subscribe, like and share this video so that it can reach more people. Now from our last video, we were looking at operation on matrices, that is addition and subtraction. We did a 2 by 2 matrix. Today I want us to concentrate more on a 3 by 3 matrix. So I want us to concentrate on a 3 by 3 matrix today. Maybe add one on maybe a 2 by 3 matrix if we get time. So right away to a video, assuming that you are given a matrix A which is 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and also another matrix B described by 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 1, 1. So if we wanted to determine A plus B, then like we said in our previous video on a 2 by 2 matrix, we are adding elements that are in the same position. So 0 will be added to 1, 1 will be added to 0, 1 will be added to 1. Then on the second row, minus 1 will be added to 2, 2 will be added to 2, and 3 added to 3. Then lastly on our third row, 2 will be added to 2, minus 2, 1 will be added to 1, lastly 0 added to 1, so that we'll have this looking like this. So we have 0 plus 1, then 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 1. On our second row, we'll have minus 1 plus 2. We have 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and then we have 3 plus 2. In our last row, we'll have 2 plus negative 2, 2 plus minus 2. We have 1 plus 1, and lastly 0 plus 1. So this one, when we add 0 plus 1, it gives us 1. We add 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 will give us 1. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 3 plus 2 give us 5. 2 plus minus 2 will give us 0. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. And 0 plus 1 will give us 1. So this will form the solution for A plus B. Now what about subtraction on the other end? I'll try and keep that matrix there so that we can use it. Then if we say now we have A minus B. So for A minus B, we are subtracting now. The only difference is that we are doing subtraction, but the elements remains the same, so that we have this looking like this. So we'll have 0, 0 minus 1. We have 1 minus 0. Then we have 1 minus 1. On our second row, we'll have minus 1, minus 2. Then we have 2 minus 2, and 3 minus 2. And our last row will have 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, and lastly 0 minus 1. So if you pick up your calculator and key in those values there, then 0 minus 1 will be negative 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. 3 minus 2 will give us 1. 2 minus minus 2 will give us 4. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. And 0 minus 1 will give us negative 1. And this will be the solution for our matrix A minus B. Let me just push that up. Then we can look at one more last example. We're given a matrix A, which is 0, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. And a matrix B, which is 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, then 2, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 2. So we are told get A plus B. So for A plus B, like we've said before, we are adding 0 to 2, 1 to 2, 3 to 1, all through until 2 plus 2, which is the last elements in the third row of that matrix. So for this case, we are going to have 0 plus 2. When we say 0 plus 2 gives us 2, 1 plus 2 will give us 3, and 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So we have in the first row 2, 3, and 4. So the second row we have 2 plus 2 will give us 4, 2 plus 1 will give us 3, and 1 plus 0 will give us 1. The last row, 0 plus 1 will give us 1, 1 plus 1 will give us 2, and 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So this one will be the solution for our matrix. This is 4, our matrix A plus B. Now, if we look at A minus B now on the other side, A minus B, for A minus B, we are saying 0 minus 2. And 0 minus 2 will give us negative 2. Then we have 1. Let me just change the color so that we can see clearly. So we have 0. We are saying 0 minus 2 will give us negative 2. We have 1 minus 2. And 1 minus 2 should give us negative 1. Then 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 on our calculator should give us 2. Then we have 2 minus 2 should give us 0. 2 minus 1 should give us 1. And lastly, 1 minus 0 should give us 1. Then on our last row, 0 minus 1 should give us minus 1. 1 minus 1 gives us 0. And lastly, 2 minus 2 should give us 0. So this one will be the solution of the matrix A minus B. Now, I just want you to take some time, pause, and look for the solution B minus A. What will it give you? B minus A. So, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share the video, and also give us comments. You can tell us which mathematical problems you want us to solve, and we'll be glad to solve them for you. Otherwise, thank you very much for your continued support, and bye bye.